Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to download Gallery Assistant on your S25 Ultra. Okay, and this application is only available on Galaxy Store and supported by premium phones like S series. Okay, and simply open your Samsung Store, then go to search button, then search Gallery Assistant. Then you can see Gallery Assistant application is here. Tap it and it is kind of those functions like reduce size, rotate and flip, image clipper, add watermark, compare images, save as PDF. So it is useful functions. Okay, and you can simply convert 500 images at once or videos. Okay, so simply click install, then it will be download, and you can see here this is the functions easier like print also. So reduce size, rotate and flip, image clipper, add watermark, compare images, save as PDF and print. Those are the functions. Okay, that's guys. In this way you can simply download Gallery Assistant application from your Galaxy Store, and it is available all over the world, also in India. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.